What if you could stop promoting AI and start delegating work to an entire AI workforce? Claw AI Army lets you assign tasks to specialized AI agents that can work together to create things like campaigns, emails, ads, social content, and more, all from a simple message. So, Claw AI Army is an AI agent platform designed to turn simple instructions into completed workflows. It brings together hundreds of specialized AI agents, hundreds of skills, and integrations with WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and the web so you can delegate work instead of manually jumping between multiple AI tools. Free live workshop Thursday, August 13, 10 a.m. EST. Stop promoting, start delegating. On this free live call, watch one message sent from WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord become a finished campaign, landing page, email sequence, and variations, and a social calendar. Here's a 60-second preview of what we'll build live on the call. We have more AI access than ever and still too much unfinished work. Yet every task still begins the same way. Open another tab, start another blank conversation, explain the content again, write a better prompt, copy the answer elsewhere, repeat for the next step. That is the gap Claw AI Army is designed to close. Do not prompt a tool, assign a worker. Build a complete campaign for this new offer audience, local gym owners. Launch $297. Price launch $297 next Friday. Work already arrives as a message. Claw AI Army is built around that reality. The intended experience is simple. Number one, open a supported chat channel. Number two, message the correct Claw agent. Number three, answer the questions it needs. Number four, approve the plan when necessary. Number five, receive the results and files. Work already arrives as a message. Come see what happens when it answers back. A team of specialized roles, each built for a job you already do. Content Claw turns a topic or brief into articles, emails, posts, and repurpose content. Research Claw reads material, extract the important points, and bullet structure reports. Launch Claw creates copy and campaign assets required to introduce an offer. E-commerce Claw enriches product list and prepares promotions for a catalog. Sales Claw builds outreach proposals, follow-ups, and objection responses. Agency Claw turns clients' briefs into organized deliverable packs and repeated workflows. Last one is your own Claw agents. Create specialized roles for your company, clients, or niche using approved tools and workflow logic. 259 skills, 82 multiple 259 skills, 82 multi-step workflow agents, one assignment. Claw Army is not starting from any empty chat interference. It is built on a proven workflow foundation containing specialized tools and done for you process across. This is the interface of Claw AI Army. Who this is for? Claw AI Army is being prepared for solo business owners, marketers, agencies, e-commerce sellers, affiliates and product creators, freelancers, developers, agencies planning to launch a branded AI workforce platform. What the live workshop covers on the call, I'll walk you through. Claw AI Army Core, 259 specialized skills, 82 workflow agents, Channel first task assignment, ready to install agent packs, custom Claw agent creation, project memory and task history, commercial use rights, founding launch bonuses, the one-time launch price of $39 and why it is not a monthly fee. The most useful AI employee may not sit in another dashboard. It may be an agent you message while walking into a meeting. That one turns a voice note into a proposal. If you want to automate repetitive AI tasks and manage multiple workflows from one platform, AI Claw AI Army is definitely worth checking out. If you want to try Claw AI Army for yourself, check the link in the description and see what's included in the current offer. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of the latest AI tools and software. Thanks for watching.